Hey friends, if you wish to fix Windows computer shuts down while playing or watching videos on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now the first solution is to check the fan. Is there any dust in the fan, any obstruction, anything? If not, then proceed to the next solution, which is to update graphics card drivers. Search for device manager and open device manager. Expand the list for display adapters. Right click on the first one and select update drivers. Right click on the second one and select update drivers. The last solution is to check system requirements for that specific game. Let's say that the game is Valorant. So search for Valorant system requirements and check if the system requirements match the ones which your computer has. If not, then you might have to upgrade a few systems. And don't go with the minimum requirements, always go with the recommended requirements. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.